Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you are trying to install some apps on your iPhone but you are facing this issue and you are unable to install the app, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to general and then software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update available for you like this, you have to simply update it to the latest version, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go back and go to iPhone storage and make sure that there is enough space for you to download and install new apps on your device. And if the storage is full, then you have to simply delete some useless apps from your device, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go back and now go to date and time and set your date and time from here, and then go to language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. After this, go back and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. Again, go back and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open Support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way, and after this they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.